Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can disable UI navigation on Roblox. So the first thing that you will have to do is click your Roblox menu, which is on the top left corner of your screen. And now that you're here, you will click the help button. And now you will see UI selection toggle. So it may vary, it really depends on your Roblox. But commonly it's this. So what you will have to do is basically just click click what is said here. So as you can see, that's the shortcut key for that. So just go ahead and click that. So as you can see, the UI navigation has been enabled, but if you want to disable it, then you will just have to click it again, and it will be disabled. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.